Mikey, did you have a good time last night?
Yes.
Yeah.
Take the binky out of your mouth because they can't hear you. So you had a nice time seeing everybody at the wedding?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you danced with everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you have anything you want to say to everybody?
Yeah.
Well, what do you want to say?
I
Guess what Hamida did yesterday?
What did I do yesterday?
What did Hamida do yesterday?
don't know.
He did! He married your mommy yesterday!
Mom,
Yesterday he married mommy. Yeah?
it's Becky.
Frankie's downstairs. He's not coming up in this bed. Okay? Okay?
Nana.
Say thank you for coming.
Nana.
Blow him take the binky out and blow him a big kiss.
Take the binky
Take
out.
the binky out and blow a big kiss.
Please.
You can't blow a kiss with the binky in.
Take the binky out.
Take the binky out. Blow a kiss.
Say I love you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Happy day.
Bye.
Thank you.